Looking for the top 5 best smart fitness watch to upgrade your daily routine? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the smartest, sleekest, and most reliable fitness watches that can take your health tracking to the next level. If you're into honest reviews and helpful buying guides, make sure to hit that subscribe button. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Philips Sonicare Electric Power Toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Electric Power Toothbrush is one of the most reliable options on the market. This toothbrush uses advanced sonic technology that delivers fast, gentle vibrations to help remove plaque more effectively than manual brushing. It's designed with a slim, lightweight handle, soft bristles, and multiple cleaning modes that make it easy for anyone to get a thorough, comfortable clean. One of the biggest pros is consistency. The built-in timer ensures you brush evenly, while the pressure sensor helps protect your gums. It's also beginner-friendly and great for people who want healthier teeth without learning anything complicated. Another plus is the long-lasting battery, which makes it super convenient for travel or everyday use. On the downside, some users may find the vibration slightly intense at first, and it may take a few days to get used to the powered brushing motion. But once you adjust, the performance feels smooth and natural. Using it is simple. Apply toothpaste, choose your preferred mode, and let the brush glide, no scrubbing needed. The toothbrush does most of the work for you, making the experience efficient and effortless. Personally, I think the Philips Sonicare is perfect for anyone who wants cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and a more polished brushing experience. It's great for families, busy professionals, travelers, or anyone focused on better oral care. See the description for more details. Number 2. Oral-B Electric Power Toothbrush. The Oral-B Electric Power Toothbrush is one of those tools that can genuinely make a difference. It's designed with a rotating, oscillating brush head that reaches deeper between teeth, giving you a more thorough clean than most manual brushes. The handle feels solid and easy to grip, and the built-in timer helps you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes without guessing. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, you get powerful cleaning performance, interchangeable brush heads for different needs, and a simple design that's great for beginners. It's also gentle enough for sensitive gums but strong enough to remove plaque effectively. On the downside, you'll need to recharge it regularly, and some users may prefer a quieter brushing experience. Personally, I think this toothbrush hits the sweet spot between performance and ease of use. It's straightforward, effective, and a great step up if you're moving from manual brushing. To use it, just apply a small amount of toothpaste, place the brush on each tooth, and let the motor do the work. No need to scrub hard. It gives you a deeper, more consistent clean with less effort. Why might it not be ideal? If you prefer ultra-lightweight or silent tools, this may feel a bit more powerful than expected. Anyone wanting healthier gums, cleaner teeth, or a more professional-level brushing routine at home. It's especially great for busy people who want a reliable, no-fuss upgrade. See the description for more details. Number 3. Waterpik Electric Power Toothbrush. The Waterpik Electric Power Toothbrush is one of those tools designed to make brushing cleaner, faster, and a lot more effective. Unlike standard brushes, this model uses powerful sonic technology to break up plaque and reach areas that are easy to miss. The design is lightweight, modern, and comfortable to hold, making it easy for anyone to use even during quick morning routines. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, you get strong cleaning performance, multiple brushing modes, and a smooth, quiet motor that feels gentle but still effective. It's especially good for people with sensitive gums or those looking for a deeper clean without extra effort. The built-in timer is a nice touch, helping you brush for the dentist-recommended time. On the downside, the vibrations may feel intense at first if you've never used an electric brush, and like most powered brushes, you'll need to recharge it regularly. In my analysis, Waterpik did a great job balancing power and comfort. The brush head glides easily, the handle feels premium, and the results speak for themselves. You get a fresher, cleaner feel after every use. To use it, simply apply toothpaste, choose your mode, place it at a slight angle, and let the brush do the work. No heavy pressure needed. This toothbrush is ideal for anyone who wants to upgrade from manual brushing, improve gum health, or just enjoy a more efficient daily routine. Whether you're a busy parent, student, or someone trying to level up your self-care habits, it fits perfectly. Want to learn more? See the description for more details. Number 4. TEETHEORY Electric Power Toothbrush. The TEETHEORY Electric Power Toothbrush is definitely worth a look. This sleek, modern toothbrush is designed to give you a deep, thorough clean with minimal effort. It features multiple brushing modes, including daily clean, sensitive, and whitening, so you can customize your brushing experience based on your needs. The soft, high-quality bristles are gentle on gums but powerful enough to remove plaque and keep your teeth feeling fresh. It also has a built-in timer that ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes, helping you maintain a consistent routine. One of the standout features is its long-lasting battery. It can go several weeks on a single charge, making it perfect for home use or travel. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold, and the compact design looks great on any bathroom counter. On the downside, some users might find it a little louder than manual brushing, but the cleaning performance more than makes up for it. Overall, it's ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, effective, and easy-to-use electric toothbrush, whether you have sensitive teeth, are focused on whitening, or just want a better daily clean. To use it, just apply toothpaste, select your preferred mode, and let the brush do the work. It's that simple. For anyone serious about oral hygiene without the hassle, the TEETHEORY Electric Power Toothbrush is a solid choice. See the description for more details. Number 5. Rtauys Electric Power Toothbrush. The Rtauys Electric Power Toothbrush might be just what you need. This sleek, lightweight toothbrush is designed for deep cleaning, removing plaque efficiently, and keeping your teeth and gums healthy. It features multiple brushing modes, including clean, sensitive, and massage, so you can customize your brushing experience based on your needs. The toothbrush also comes with a built-in timer that ensures you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes, and a long-lasting battery that can last up to a month on a single charge, perfect for travel or busy lifestyles. Its ergonomic handle and soft bristles make it comfortable to use, even for those with sensitive gums. Pros include its deep cleaning, multiple modes, long battery life, and comfortable design. A small inconvenience is that some users might prefer a wider brush head, and it takes a few days to get used to the vibration if you're switching from a manual toothbrush. Using it is simple. Just apply your favorite toothpaste, select the mode, and let the toothbrush do the work. In our analysis, this toothbrush combines efficiency, convenience, and comfort, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a professional-level clean at home. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone looking to improve oral hygiene, the Rtauys Electric Power Toothbrush is suitable for almost everyone. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.